bond from 2017, we are getting a new building. Thompson Intermediate will be moving off of Hughes Road. So we're real excited to have a bigger state-of-the-art campus to support our students. So we're looking at the fall of 2023. There's so many things about this new building that we're going to be excited to share. We're really excited to have a focal point on our library, which is such a big part here at Thompson. In the new building, where you're going to have an amazing library that's the center of the campus. It's going to be open concept. So we're really excited to have that. We will also have a huge stage to help support our fine arts programs for band, choir, and orchestra. The building is going to have an amazing science area. During Hurricane Harvey, the gym floor was destroyed. We were able to salvage some of the pieces of the wood floor, including the logo in our main gym. So we're going to incorporate that into the design, into the athletic area. The Thompson spirit is strong, and we're looking forward to continuing that on in our new building.